Is your Nintendo Switch AC adapter not working? Then you are at the right place as we have the solutions for you to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Use official Nintendo Switch AC adapter. When Nintendo Switch AC adapter not working, make sure you are using the official Nintendo Switch AC adapter HAC-002 and not HAC-010 that is supplied with the controller. It is recommended not to use any other AC adapter for your Nintendo Switch, else you can have issues like this. Method 2. Check the charging indicator. If you can, turn on your switch and look for the charging indicator at the top right corner of the screen. If you cannot see the charging icon when you have the AC adapter connected, then unplug the AC adapter from both the main socket and the console or dock. Wait for a minute, then connect the adapter to the main socket and the dock or the console and check. Method 3. Check that the AC adapter is properly connected. Ensure that the AC adapter is properly connected. Check that the plug is properly inserted and there is no loose connection, otherwise the switch will not be charged and you can have issues. You should insert it to the dedicated port and not in the USB or HDMI ports. Method 4. Connect the console to the main socket. You should connect your switch directly to the main wall outlet rather than connecting via extension cords or power strips. This will help you avoid any loose connection and the console will get properly charged. Method 5. Check the AC adapter for damage. Inspect the AC adapter for any visible damage such as cuts, bends, frayed cables or split cords. Look for loose connectors or kinks that might affect the adapter's functionality. If you find significant damage, the AC adapter will need to be replaced. In case you need a replacement, you can purchase a new AC adapter from the My in Nintendo store. Remember to use a licensed Nintendo Switch AC adapter model number HAC-002 for the best performance and compatibility with your device. Method 6. Try a different outlet. Plug the adapter directly into a wall outlet and if possible, try a different outlet in a different area. Choose an outlet in a different room or area to ensure it's on a separate circuit. This can help rule out any issues specific to a single outlet or circuit. Before using the new outlet, you can test it with a simple device like a lamp or a voltage tester to confirm it's working properly. If you have a multimeter, you can measure the voltage to ensure it provides the correct output. Once you have confirmed the new outlet is safe and operational, plug the adapter directly into the wall outlet. Avoid using power strips or extension cords as they can sometimes cause issues. After plugging in the adapter, check for signs of power such as indicator lights on the device that the adapter powers. If there are no signs of power, the adapter itself may be faulty. Method 7. Hard reset the switch. To perform a hard reset, here are the steps. Press and hold the power button of the console for about 20 seconds to turn the console completely off. Next, press the power button once again to turn the console on. Now you can charge your console and see if it is charging. If not, reset the AC adapter. Method 8. Reset your AC adapter. To reset the AC adapter, follow these steps. Unplug it from both ends. Wait for a minute. If the adapter is damaged, replace it. Then connect one end of the new adapter into the console and the other end directly into the wall outlet. Now let it get fully charged. After that, see if it is working. If not, check the batteries. Method 9. Check the battery. The Nintendo Switch won't charge, then the AC adapter may not always be faulty. The battery can become old and damaged. Faulty batteries make the Switch totally unresponsive. So, replace the old batteries and now try to charge the Switch and see if it is charging now. Method 10. Check the port. Sometimes, due to a faulty USB-C port, the Nintendo Switch does not get charged, and we often consider the AC adapter is not working. Here is how to check the port. use a flashlight to check if the port is clogged with dust. Clogged port can be the reason why it is not working. To clean it up, you can use compressed air or cotton buds or even a toothpick. But make sure that you are not damaging the port while cleaning. You should not use any metal to clean the port, as that can cause unrepairable damage to the port. You can also open the switch and check for any liquid damage. The indicator near the port on the motherboard shall turn red if there is any damage. You can take the help of an expert to repair the port and replace the motherboard. Method 11. Contact Nintendo online service. If no other methods could fix the problem, you can contact Nintendo's support unit for help. Nintendo provides fast and easy online repair. Just visit Nintendo's repairing site and describe your problem. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the experts to fix the problem. And there you have it, the methods to fix Nintendo Switch AC adapter not working. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.